What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you one quick way to make more money online with your social influence. To find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, entrepreneurship and much more on a consistent basis. And make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, before we get started, make sure you watch the whole video, stick till the end so you don't miss out on any important information on this one quick way to make money online with your social influence. And if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, build a sustainable online business, I do have my #1 recommendation right here below this video. So make sure you check that out when you finish the video here. Alright, social media influence. We all have Instagram accounts, Facebook accounts, and we do have people, some have a lot of followers, some have few. And I wanted to share with you this great way, even if you get started as a beginner actually, on how you can make money online with your social influence there. So with that being said, let's have a closer look at what this is all about. Let's get started. Alright, so the site that we are going to have a look at here is influencer.co. Influencer.co, and we can clearly see here it asks that if you are ready to make more money with your social influence. I discovered this site accidentally and I thought it was a great opportunity to even get started actually to make money online with the social influence. Because we all have social media accounts there, we have influencers, we have people that we can influence, and why not even make some money with it. So basically you can see here it is one simple sign up to access thousands of merchants. So let's have a closer look at how this works. Save time and stay organized by having one single place to access all the merchants. And you can see here you can now earn money by promoting more than 500 million products from 70,000 merchants. With influencer links you get paid for every sale you generate. And it is a free, powerful link tracking and reporting there, so you can track how many clicks your Instagram bio link gets, your YouTube description, and wherever you're going to post your link there. How it works is that you join today, you search for products and you post to social media profiles, and of course you get paid for every sale there. So you can see here it is about the influencer links. You get paid to promote millions of products. So you find the products that you want to promote here. You get some access to exclusive, amazing offers with huge payouts. And then you shorten the links. So it is a way of some kind of a URL shortener also. So you shorten any of your links there free. So you can track and see how many people are clicking and how many are purchasing, of course. And you get the reports there, and you can see that you get paid, of course, when you promote these products here. So if you scroll down a little bit, you can see once again you can apply to the join here. There is also if you are an advertiser, but we are interested in this section. So basically you apply to the join here and you can follow up. So let's have a closer look at the more info section here, okay? So you can sign up, you're applying to join, you verify your social media accounts, and of course you help them understand your audience, and you can see the details in the video here, so I'm not going to explain in detail on what you need to fill in all your details here, okay? But what I wanted to show you here is that there is a frequently asked questions section. So it explains what is influencer.co, who created it and how do they make money. It's pretty obvious that we can have a look at it. When you generate sales for merchants in our network, you earn a commission for each qualifying transaction. Influence retains a small fee for each of these, and you keep the rest. So they do take a small fee here to be the middleman, a sort of middleman. And you can see that they explain what is the difference here between a normal link, an influencer link, and a shortened link. And let's see here, how do I make money? Well, we pretty much explain this, and how you can create an influencer link. How do you get paid? We have the PayPal here option, so that is super nice, which is probably also the preferred method here. And how often you get paid, you can see they do explain actually everything in detail here, so there's no need for me to go here and read through everything. So I suggest you to, no matter if you have a lot of people in your social media accounts or not, that you have a closer look in influencer.co. Sign up there, find some products that you can think that you can influence. They have a great training section also here where they can educate you, and there is also tutorials. Let's see in the education, you can see here. So definitely a lot of tutorials that they can help you with to make you even more money. Okay, how to expand your brand. You can see here 9 unsuccessful influencer case studies no brand should miss. Tons of content here that you can get help with to get started. You see, apply to join as influencer, manage your influencers and the links. So really great site actually, with a lot of training tutorials and ways that you can make money with. All you have to do is actually work on your social media influence, and the more people that you have that you can influence on, the more money you can make with this, and of course many more opportunities with. So as I said, I do have my #1 recommendation to make a full-time passive income online right here below. Highly recommended that you have a closer look at that. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. I really appreciate it. You find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Make sure you subscribe to both. Make sure you also hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And you also find another great way to make money online with. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.